Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel then my name is Vippu, and today's video is about how to get a flawless base. So for that I would like to discuss few things, few necessary things with you. So yeah, before any further ado, let's get started. So first is first, to get the flawless base, the essential and the most important thing is skincare. Your basic skincare is very necessary, because if it's winters now, and if you have a very dry skin or flaky skin, whenever you gonna do makeup, it will show up. The makeup will not set correctly on your base, and that's why you need a proper skincare. And I would like to say that do add a facial oil or a serum in your skincare, because they keep your skin well hydrated, and they lock the moisture in your skin and give a very flawless skin to you, especially if you are someone like me, on a oilier side. Then you can incorporate facial oil in the night. So I use Indulgio volcanic oil, that is basically for oily and acne prone skin, and it is a very nice oil. You just have to apply a few drops and just pat it on your face and you are done. Another thing I want to say, do scrub your face, do a proper cleanup, or for that you can go to any salon, or you can do it at home. I do twice a week, so because as I said, I have a oily skin, and I do apply makeup like twice or thrice in a week. So I do try to exfoliate my skin twice in a week, so that I get rid of blackheads. One thing more I would like to say, if you are someone who have a lot of facial hairs, and if you if you remove them regularly, then it's also a added bonus. I remove my facial hair with this eyebrow razor, and if you wanted to know more about how I do facial hair removal, then let me know in the comments below. I will do a separate video on that. So yeah, I do use this razor. I use this razor once in a week. That's enough for me. So I remove all my facial hairs, and that feels after doing that, my skin feels so soft, and it's smoothen out my skin as well, because these razor does remove the dead skin layer also. That's it for the skin part thing, and let me show you how I do my base makeup. So let's start with the primer, and I'm using Wet n Wild matte primer today. And because I have my T-zone is very oily, so I'm using this matte primer, and I will take only pea-size amount and will apply wherever I have pores. Primer gives longevity to your makeup as well, plus it smoothen out your pores. Right now I don't have very prominent pores, but it's still whatever little pores I have, it smoothen out that, and which again gives a smooth base to my face. And first, now I will apply a orange corrector from this Nykaa Skin Genius Correct palette. And if you are someone who don't have so much prominent under eye circles like me, then you can straight away go ahead with your foundation and concealer. I would like to apply the corrector first. So for correctors, you don't have to go on a very high coverage. You just have to correct with the very little amount. Dab the corrector. Can you see I have used very little amount, and dab it with your fingers. Doing the same thing on the other eye. Plus I have some darkness around the mouth. You can also, dab it with the sponge as well. Now using a setting powder, I will set this with a very light powder. I will set my corrector so that it won't move whenever I will apply my foundation and concealer. Very little powder you have to use. For my foundation, I am using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I am in the color Golden Beige, and I will directly apply on my face. Oops. Whatever is left on my spatula, I am using it on my neck. I am taking a Pro Art AK38 brush and I will buff it on my face. I'm dabbing and doing a circular motion. This brush gives a very nice, foundation application. I don't see any brush strokes or something like that, but as you can see, I haven't applied foundation, too much foundation under my eyes, because I am gonna apply concealer under my eyes. So for concealer today I am using LA Girl concealer. It's a Pro HD concealer, and I am gonna be mixing these two colors, medium beige and creamy beige. Take out the little product. And I'm blending it with my sponge. I'm using creamy beige as a little bit. And again I will use this sponge and blend the concealer in. So now our base is done, and it's time to set the base. And for setting up the base, I'm using Revolution Banana Powder, and this does have a yellow tint to it, and it will give a brightness effect to my under eye. And I'm using Pro Art AF05 to set my under eyes. Take a little bit powder, dab the excess, and then apply. I am not going to bake because my under eye is pretty dry, so I don't want them to be, get more drier. Set my T-zone area, especially the nose and the sides of nose. was it for the base makeup, and now I'll start doing the rest of the face makeup. First I'll be contouring my face with this NYX contour palette. I'm using a angular brush. For blush, I am gonna be using this Inglot Freedom System blush in color 67. This is a very peachy, corally kind of color, and yeah, using a very little amount because this blush is very pigmented. How pigmented this blush is. If you are doing makeup and you think you have gone a little overboard with your blush, with your contour or your highlight, you can always go back to your foundation brush and you can correct whatever, like if there is any mistake happen. You don't have to take any extra product on your brush. Whatever is left here, you can correct. Now I'm gonna spray this Revolution Pro Fixing Spray so that the powders get melt in my skin. Now it's time for highlight, and I am using this shimmer brick from Incolor, and the brush I am using this fan brush from ProArt. It's PF09, and I'm mixing these three colors, like bottom three colors. I'm mixing all of them. Tap off the excess. Can you see the highlight? I will highlight my high points, tip of the nose, bridge and Cupid's bow. I don't usually highlight my chin area because then my face tends to look little oilier. So very light on the nose as well. So now my base is done, and I will quickly do my eyes and lip color, and I will be back. Now I have finished with the rest of the makeup. I have done a little wash of color on my eyes, and for lips I have used this Miss Clear Soft Matte Lip Cream in color 64, and yeah, I was today I was in the mood for some bold lips because it's winter here, and yeah. So that's it for today's video, guys, and if you want to see more such videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And yeah, I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.